The new features in filtering in the Orchid EFT screens applies to all the screens with a filtered list. The EFT employee payment requests, AP payment requests, AR payment requests, the EFT file list, create AR payments, EFT banks, and EFT formats. Looking at EFT AP payment requests as an example, all the payment request screens start off by filtering based on a calendar month prior for the payment date. So today -1 calendar month. And you can see the filter is applied on this field because the filter icon is in grey. Previously, we used to show the column payment date in italics. You can also click on the filters. It shows you how many filters are applied, and when you click on it, it shows you the filter that is applied. And you can clear all or apply more from here. So if, for example, I want to filter on my payment currency and look only at my USD payments, I can see that I have two filters applied, and these two filter icons are dark, showing me that those are the columns that are filtered. If I was to reopen the AP payment requests filter tomorrow, the payment date will be reset to 30 days previously, but all my other filters will be remembered. So I'm still filtering on US dollar payments only. So let me just clear all my filters and have a look at the features within the new filters. Your filters can be equals, not equals, is one of, is not one of, starts with, ends with, contains, does not contain, is blank, or is not blank. So let's filter for all my vendors, which starts with CO. And now I'm picking up all my consolidated consulting vendors. And in my filter list, I can see that filter. I could add a new filter here, where the payment currency equals USD, and now I'm only seeing the consolidated consulting vendors where the payment currency is USD, and I have my filters indicated by the filter. And a reminder, you can click on any column header to sort either ascending, A to Z, or descending, Z to A. That's on an alpha field, but on a numeric field it will be 0 to 9, ascending or descending, 9 to 0. And beside the filters, which shows us two filters are displayed, it also shows you the number of records that are currently being displayed. So if I was to clear my filters, I would go back to the original 12 records. So let's have a look at this on a different screen, the EFT file lists. Currently, I have 189 records being displayed, and I've got no filters applied. So if I didn't want to see my deleted records, I could say not equal to deleted. Apply that filter, and I've now got 159 records. And if I was interested in looking at only my new files, equals new and apply, and now I'm only looking at my new records. And this filter is remembered. If I went back to the EFT file list on another day, I see my filter is being applied, the status is new, and 103 records are currently selected. And looking at the Create AR Payments screen, a reminder that you can make the columns as wide as you need, and it remembers that per user per screen. So here I'm looking at all my outstanding invoices that I can create payments for. But if I typically only create payments for my insurance customers, I could say it equals insurance, apply that filter, and now I could go ahead and create a receipt for those particular insurance invoices.